morning everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Zhong Sui Yi. I am a recent engineering graduate in Bachelor of Electronic System Engineering from UTM. The purpose of my presentation today is to talk about myself in terms of my strengths and weaknesses and the findings of the Holland Code career test in relation to my career choice. Before I begin my presentation, let me tell you what I'm going to cover. First, I will start with presenting my strengths and weaknesses in terms of values, skills, interests, and personality. Then, I will compare my strengths and weaknesses to the results of the career test that I have taken from the internet. And finally, I will discuss on the outcome and express my agreement or disagreement with the results of the career test. To begin with, I will talk about my strengths and weaknesses in terms of my core values. I think that I am a practical person. I focus on carrying out concrete actions to achieve clearly useful objectives. I believe that action is better than words. This is my strength because a practical person like me will always set very clear goals and go after them. I know how to prioritize and to see which action need the most attention. In doing projects, I will find out which part need to be done first in order to make others easier or possible. Moreover, I am a highly productive person. I am able to distinguish between the important tasks and the trivial ones. I am disciplined and I prefer to do every task given to me in a proper way because for me, efficiency is the most important. However, my weakness is that I am quite weak in leading a team. For example, in a group assignment or project, I tend to become the one who receives instruction instead of the one who gives instruction. But I will try my best to overcome this weakness because I think that leadership is vital, especially in today's working environment. Next, in terms of skills, I possess knowledge in programming languages such as C++, C, and Verilog. I have learned to utilize programming logic device design software such as MATLAB and Altera Quartus 2, and also electrical schematic designing tools such as LTSpice, Multisim, and NI Altiboard. Furthermore, I possess extensive knowledge on Microsoft Office, and I have excellent writing and oral skills in Mandarin, English, Malay, and also basic Japanese language skill with N4 level. I think that these skills are my strength because they might be useful in my career life. My weakness is I am not sociable and I am quite weak in persuading or communicate with other people. I feel uncomfortable when I communicate with other people. However, I should find a solution to solve this weakness because communication is important in my future career as an engineer. In terms of interest, I have the greatest interest in investigating or operating an electronic device, if compared to other things such as chemical work, biology, and so on. I have interest in using advanced electronic devices because it brings satisfaction to me. In terms of personality, I think that I am responsible in doing every task given to me. I want every task given to me to be done quickly and perfectly and submitted on time. I will do my work carefully and I will search for solutions in many ways in order to make sure that the task is completely done. I am also qualified in doing multitasking work, highly motivated, can give full cooperation to a team, and can work well under pressure. But I think that the greatest weakness for me is getting shy easily, and once I get shy or nervous, my face will frustrate easily. Therefore, this weakness makes me feel uncomfortable with human relations, and also I am unimaginative and uncreative. The career test that I have taken online is Holland Code Career Test. From the test results, it shows that I scored the highest in the category of building. From the career type shown, I am a builder who prefers physical work that uses my hands or body to give a tangible result for my effort. I think this career type matches me because I am the one who prefers tangible result. The personality for a builder includes shy, genuine, stable, conforming, and practical. I think that I possess this characteristic also because I get shy easily, stable in doing every task given to me, and I am practical too because I prefer taking action rather than waiting for instruction. According to the results, people who fall into this building category generally prefer learning by doing. I think that this characteristic matches me because I hate spending most of my time sitting in the same place doing the same thing every day. I also prefer learning by doing because I think that learning through doing is interesting, especially learning the thing that we love. According to the career test results, the suggested careers for me are commercial pilot, information security analyst, computer network architect, database administrator, civil engineer, and electrical or electronic engineer. Among these career suggestions, electronic engineer suits me because an electronic engineer can always get into contact with electronic device. Now, I will express my agreement or disagreement with the career test results. First, I agree with the results stating that I prefer the jobs involve the use of tools, machines, physical skills because I prefer doing things or jobs using advanced tools, especially using electronic device. Although I hate doing things in the same place every day, but I still prefer working indoors. Therefore, I disagree with the results stating that I prefer working outdoors. Next, I agree with the results stating that I prefer working with concrete objects rather than abstract concepts because I am unimaginative and uncreative, and I hate doing tasks or jobs that is based on abstract concept because I will not know what I should do. I also agree with the results stating that my core values are practicality, productivity, structure, independence, and physical skill because I am practical and I prefer taking action quickly instead of waiting for any other instruction. I also totally agree with the one of the suggestion of career choice in the result, which is electronic engineer, because it matches my interest and education background too. In a nutshell, based on the results of the career test, I can know that my career interest falls in the building category, and this category matches my strength too. As a builder, I prefer working with tools or machines and enjoy working with things rather than people or ideas. However, I have to find out solutions to overcome my weaknesses in order to make myself stronger and to have a better career prospect. From the results, it seems that my expected career as an electronic engineer is a right choice, and I will work hard for it. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention and see you again.